Good morning everybody, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you our beautiful new collection for March 2021. It's called Outback Divine. It's a beautiful collection that's been inspired by the beautiful tones of our outback and some of our wildflowers. So this is one of the papers. Let me take you through them all. This one's called Native Fauna and the back is like a terrazzo. This one is Blissful and it's this gorgeous frame. B-side is a nice plain one. This one is called Ranges, and you'll see why in a second because the back is kind of like Ranges. This one is called Outback Divine, which it is. Beautiful wood grain on the back. Native Flora, which is all native flowers that you can fussy cut yourself and make your own flower clusters if you want to. And this beautiful one on the back. This one is called Splendid, one of my favourite pieces because it's just so different and lovely with those eucalypt leaves. This blue soft tone on the back. This one's called Wave Rock. It's got this cute little possum in it. And that is the back. This one is called Desert. And they are those beautiful colours we're talking about. And the black on the back. Okay, I've also got the little mini collection pack here. I'm just going to show you the papers. Most of them are identical. There's just a couple of extras. Just cute wee size for card making. Got the little bottle brush there. It's an extra one. Just some little fussy cuts. That beautiful little rainbow. The wood grains. And these are just the perfect size for making cards with. And we have used this for the card making kit, obviously. And the lucky last. Oh no, this is the last. And then we repeat them all again. And we've done it that way so if stores are using these for classes, they can literally just halve them and give half each to their students. Okay, let's have a look at what else we're releasing. We have got two dies that match this collection. This one here is called Wattle. It's $15.80 for these two cute wattle pieces. And this one is called Slim Gum Leaves. And this is a Slimline Die that matches our Slimline card and envelopes, obviously. But it's not just for card making. I want to show you how the girls have used it on scrapbooking. Kylie's done this one and I think that is just divine. And of course you could use this panel that she's created here on her layout just as a card front. But I love how she's created these three panels to use on her layout. It's amazing. Another way to use it, Hetty has used it here just by cutting up those elements and slotting them in the background of her flower clusters. So don't think of this Slimline Die as just for card makers. It is most definitely for scrapbookers too. So Slimline Die is $25 and this one here is $15.80. Also, we are releasing this month our Dusty Pink Flowers. We do have more flowers coming and we do not have very many of these to sell at the moment. We had to air freight in our flowers for this kit and our sea shipment has not arrived yet. So we don't have many to share with you, but be assured they are coming and all the other colours as well. These are our regular creative cuts. Now I say regular creative cuts because there's a difference. There are two lots this month. These are our vellum creative cuts. And I have just popped some out of the packet here just to show you how divine the colour is. They are so rich in the vellum. They are perfect for layering and creating layers for your scrapbooking and card making. And they are so sweet. Lots of the little flowers to make your own flower clusters, some of the cute little koalas. They are adorable. So they're our vellum creative cuts. We have got some more coming up. Not every collection will have them. Some collections will have vellum mixed in with our regular creative cuts and some collections will just have a full set of these. So they're a new product. We have got some wooden laser cut and that word says a divine. So that is really cute and there's a layout. I'll show you some layouts with it on in a minute. These are two new washies we're releasing. This is the bottle brush and this is like a geo kind of texture. Another sweet little mark making stencil. This one's called Pebbles. And this cute little stamp set. This is not included in the kit. It is called Zentangle Feathers. Just adorable. Three new cut apart sheets like always. This is a regular cut apart sheet with all our matching essential dies to cut those out. A watercolor cut apart sheet with those beautiful native foliage on there. This actually works so well with not Outback Divine, Country Roads. This watercolor sheet And this laser cut, I just gave my mum with all my leftover country road stuff to use because I feel like they are going to go so beautiful with last month's collection. There's a bit of a crossover with the themes. And this one here is our mini cut apart sheet we've used in our card making kit, and Essential Die number 4 we've used to cut that out. And lucky last thing, we have got some 12 by 12 glitter card stock, and it doesn't shed, so no glitter. That is also something we have released this month as well because it's in the kit. I'm going to show you some more layouts very quickly and some cards. There's that laser cut, the Divine one. So pretty. Our DT have done an amazing job. So sweet. This is using the outline alphabet die that we released last month. The girls are trying to use some of the older dies with the new collections for you guys. This is the wooden laser cut. Love it. I love the black. I love the ones with the black. It's very striking. Oh, there's also lace. I forgot to show you the lace. I'll sneak in some lace in just a second. See these vellum creative cuts? How divine they are. Such a beautiful collection. Our DT have done an amazing job like usual. There is the 2 dies, again, used on the scrapbooking. So pretty. There is the stencil. Great for just adding little marks to your pages. The washi, I love the use of the washi on this one. Sorry, the light is shining. Super cute. This is that frame one. I think that's one of my favorite pieces. Very cute. And lucky last to show you. There's other ones we're going to put up on the blog. Here is a card made with that gorgeous Slimline Die, just using it directly as it is, mixing it up, cut out in our watercolor card stock, and then with our markers, our unicolor markers. This is in the magazine. It's just stunning. Nairi's made that. I love the paper piecing of this one. So simple yet so effective, piecing those papers in there. These are some of the cards that are in the magazine. And I just wanted to show you this one. This is one of those little stand-up cards. Nairi has done this, and she has instructions for you in the magazine this month. Quickly going to show you what's actually in the kit if you're waiting to buy the kit so you know exactly what is in the kit. There is both washies, the lace I was telling you about but I haven't shown you yet, so that lace is also available separately. Gold rhinestones, the flowers, both packets of creative cuts, the laser cut. By the way, you guys loving these new laser cuts? I am. I think that the wood is just such a lovely new element. The stencil, a full packet of the Slimline card and envelopes, the magazine, and here is the card I was telling you how Nairi cut it and then coloured it with our markers. Love that. And if I can find her other one, just want to quickly, sorry, back the other way. Here it is, sorry about that. So this is her card in a box. So there's all the measurements and instructions for you, and there is also a video over on our blog. Someone has made one once before. The cut apart sheet, the watercolor cut apart sheet, the white 12 by 12 glitter card, some watercolor cardstock, and the paper pack. So that is everything in the kit. Hope you like this new collection. Kits will be available on the 5th as usual. Make sure you subscribe if you never want to miss out on a kit. You are guaranteed to get one. And thank you so much for watching and supporting our business. Till next time, this is Tracy.